Today we will do a numerical on securities premium reserves treatment. Here we have a question. A company issued 30,000 shares of rupees 20 each at a premium of rupees 3. Okay. Payable as 4 on application, 8 on allotment, 6 on first call, 5 on second call. Applications were received for 35,000 shares. An allotment was made after refunding the excess application money on 3,000 shares. The remaining amount on application was adjusted in allotment account. Past necessary journal entries. Now here nothing is mentioned about where is this 3 rupees being treated. So we know if no instruction is given, this 3 will be included in allotment. So this is actually 5 plus 3. Now you have to make the performer of journal. As I always tell you, if you don't make the performer, your marks will be cut. But if you make the performer, no extra marks are given to you. This is particulars. This is your folio. This is your debit amount. This is your credit amount. And we write it as this AMOUNT. And since we don't have a date, we will have the serial number. So our first journal entry will be on receiving the application. On receiving the application, it is always bank account debited to share application account. Here we have got on 35,000 shares. Please remember, application is always on the actual amount received. On 35,000 shares, you will be receiving at rupees 4 each. That means you will receive a total of 1,40,000. So this is the amount received at the time of application. Your narration will be being application money received on 35,000 shares at rupees 4 each. Your second entry. And I told you, if you don't have a rule notebook, you can draw a line. If you have a rule notebook, you have to leave a line. Then we have a second entry, that is of refund. It is told application money on 3,000 shares has been refunded. So you have share application. You are refunding on 3,000 shares. So it will be 3,000 into 4 and the amount will go to bank account. So share application account debited to bank account being excess application money refunded. And in your amount column, you will write 3,000 into 4, that is 12,000. Now here you have next entry, that is you will make your allotment due. Please remember, you will not pass a separate entry for share application here for adjusting in allotment, because this is always better to take it together. Now a third entry is the important entry. We are making the premium also due. So here you have your share allotment account debited to securities premium reserve to share capital. As per rule, whatever amount of shares are issued, only those can be allotted. So definitely your capital will be 30,000 only. Here premium is 3 rupees. So capital amount will be 5 and premium amount will be 3. So this will be 30,000 into 5 and this will be 30,000 into 3. Whereas in share allotment, the total will come 30,000 into 8. I repeat, when you are receiving the allotment or making the allotment due, you have to take care of securities premium reserve. Premium is rupees 3. Total amount due on allotment is 8. But 3 rupees will go to SPR and 5 rupees will go to share capital. So here your total amount on share allotment will be 2,40,000. Your securities premium reserve will be 90,000 and your share capital will be 1,50,000. So total comes to 24,000. The narration would be being allotment made due along with SPR. This entry is over. Now our fourth entry is of receiving the allotment money. When you receive the allotment money, you have to take note that you have received applications for 35,000 shares. You have refunded the money on 3,000 shares. So that means 35,000 application received, 3,000 refunded. There is still a pending on 2,000 shares. This 2,000 shares share application will be adjusted at the time of allotment. So you have your journal entry, bank account debited, share application account debited to share allotment. Here children, we don't have to write anything with regards to securities premium or share capital. Directly it is share allotment. Amount due on share allotment is 30,000 into 8, which is 2,40,000. Your excess application money is on 2,000 shares, 4 rupees each. So excess application money will be 2,000 into 4, which is equal to 8,000. And whatever goes to bank, please remember that will be your balancing figure, that is 2,40,000 minus 8,000, which is 2,32,000. And your narration will be amount received on allotment and excess application money refund adjusted. Excess application money adjusted. This is over. Your fifth entry, sixth entry will be on first call. You already know that. Your seventh entry, eighth entry will be on second call. Please complete this. Thank you.